52,000 subs. Yep, we hit 52,000 subs. So you know what that means. It's giveaway day. Oh yes. Let's give away some speakers, shall we? So thank you guys so much. We hit 52,000. It's always great to just constantly see that number slowly going up. Again, I'd like to see it not be slowly going up, but hey, I'll take whatever. It's going up. That's awesome. And special thanks, of course, to Lexin for providing and shipping out these little Bluetooth speakers. So hopefully they find some good homes and you guys get some enjoyment from them. Now, for those of you that entered the contest, which was simply by commenting and subscribing to this video here. This was the Lexin Model S Bluetooth. If we go to it, basically what we asked for you guys to do was just leave a comment, make sure you were subscribed to the channel, and we were going to pick four names, two from Canada, two from the US, and again Lexin would ship you guys one of these really cool speakers. Look at me there with my beard, you know? Sometimes I miss it. Sometimes I'm okay. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, we got a fair bit. We got a fair bit of comments, right? Cute speaker, great review. I'm in Canada. Cool. So that was the big one, right? You guys had to tell me really if you were in one of these two. So if you were, and I'll give it for instance, I know this person here does not live in the US or Canada. If we draw your name, oh, right. But Canada, I'm hoping we have USA. Do we have any more? I know this is Canada. Come on. If there's only like, I don't even know if we got two from the US. So if that's the case, then my guess would be that we're going to only give away one to the US because we don't have two people. I'm looking, right? Looking. All right. So there's a better chance for you in the US because it's just you. And actually your odds if you're in Canada, that's good too. And I do believe one of the gentlemen here, one person here though, once again, great product. Oh, don't include me in the drawing. This is Michael, because Michael has won in the past. Share the good fortune. Cool. That's awesome. All right, guys, let's take this link and we're gonna go here and YouTube video link. Yes. Okay. Add comment replies. Yeah. Filter duplicate users. Nope. Filter comments by words. Nope. Number of winners. There is going to be as a premium, so we'll just have to keep the draw going. We'll just do it one after the other. Don't care. I have to do math, but this is at least something that's completely 9 plus 1. I can figure that one out. Get comments. So 23 comments. Okie dokie. Ready? Start raffle. Here we go. So I don't know. US, Canada. Number 1 is going to be Tiberius. You can see yourself right here. Now, what you have to do is reach out to me. You can either reach out to me via a comment down below, or I am going to put my email for this contest down here, and you guys can reach out to me that way. That would probably be the better way. Reach out to me at the email in the description down here. Okay, number 1, Tiberius. So congratulations, you're number 1. All right, let's do number 2. Big Daddy Stein. So we got USA. That's good. 1 and 1. Maybe there was 2 in the US. I don't know. Again, contact me. You have 1 week. If I don't hear from you in a week, and it is currently it's October 11th today, but I'm posting this on the 12th. So you have till the, what is that, 19th? On the 20th, we'll be looking at drawing other names if everybody doesn't reach out. And I will just reach out to them. All right, ready? So now we're looking for one more Canada, one more US. All right, and our second Canadian winner, Ray Miles. I'm in Canada. Great little speaker. Cool, cool. We're gonna get your address and everything. Again, description, and we'll try to see. I'm gonna go through here, but I have a feeling that I don't know if there's another person from the U.S. We'll look real quick. Well, I simply am just going back to the channel just to verify again. So that's me, Canada, outside of US and Canada. Canada, but we've already got two. Canada, we've already got two. Canada, a winner. This one just says great review, but it doesn't tell me where they're from. Canada, already got. Canada, already win. Outside of North America, Canada, which a winner will be cool to get winner and Canada. So as of now, we wanted to give away 4, but I think we're only going to give away 3. We may be able to give away another one in a future draw. So make sure you watch for that. But again, thanks to Lexin. And also thanks to those that commented on the video, watched the video, subscribed to the channel. And for the 3 of you that actually got their names drawn, you have 1 week to leave me, send me an email down below. I'll leave it in the description, and we'll get that sent out to you. All right, guys, that's it. Congratulations again, and thank you guys for helping us to hit 52,000. And we'll see you next video, and hopefully more contests coming up. Later.